Good morning, students. Welcome to the e-learning session of Social Studies. Lesson 3, the Northern and Coastal Plains. We will do this lesson in two parts. So let's start our first part of the video. First of all, we will do Get Set. Students, we have to rearrange the letters to get the names of few cities located in plains. First one is Mumbai. Second, Guwahati. Third, Delhi. Fourth, Chennai. Fifth, Patna. Sixth, Kolkata. Now the second question is, which of these cities are located on the coast? कौन सी cities coast के आसपास located हैं? Chennai and Mumbai. Now we will start the lesson. A flat and level land is called a plain. चपटी और समतल भूमि को plain कहते हैं. The plains of India include the northern plains and the coastal plains. Now we will do the northern plains. The northern plains lie towards the south of Himalayas. They stretch from Punjab to Assam. Many rivers which originate in the Himalayas flow through the northern plains. These rivers carry water throughout the year. इन नदियों में सारा साल पानी भरा रहता है. They also bring with them broken pieces of rocks, sand and silt. Fine silt deposited by the rivers is called alluvium. It is fertile and very good for crops. The area watered by a river and its tributary is called its basin. Basin means jalashay. The three rivers Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries have formed the northern plains. The Satluj River Basin. River Satluj originates in Tibet. Beas is the tributary of Satluj. Punjab and Haryana are part of Satluj River Basin. The Bhakra Dam, built across River Satluj, generates electricity and provides water for irrigation. इस डैम के जरिए बिजली तथा सिंचाई की व्यवस्था की जाती है. Next is delta. Students, a delta is a triangular shaped land formed by a river before it flows into the sea. समुद्र में जाने से पहले नदी एक डेल्टा बनाती है जो कि ट्रायंगुलर शेप का होता है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, द गंगा रिवर बेसिन. रिवर गंगा ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम द गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर इन हिमालयास. हिमालय में गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर से रिवर गंगा ओरिजिनेट होती है. यमुना इज इट्स मेन ट्रिब्यूटरी. द गंगा एंड इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरीज फ्लो थ्रू उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. In West Bengal, the river splits into two branches. One branch enters Bangladesh and is called Padma. It joins the Brahmaputra. The other branch flows through West Bengal and is called Hooghly. West Bengal में हुगली के नाम से जानी जाती है और बांग्लादेश में पद्मा के नाम से जानी जाती है. The Brahmaputra River Basin. River Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is called Sangpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. The Brahmaputra and the Ganga River form the largest delta in the world before falling into the Bay of Bengal. This is the Sundarban Delta. Life in the region. Punjab, Haryana, National Capital Territory of Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam lie in the northern plains. Farming is the main occupation of people growing rice, wheat and sugarcane. Punjab. The farmers of Punjab use modern machines such as tractor and harvesters. People are fond of makke ki roti, sarson ka saag and lassi. They celebrate Baisakhi and Lohri. Bhangra and Gidda are popular folk dances. Many tourists visit the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Haryana. Like the farmers of Punjab, The farmers of Haryana also use modern machines for farming. Many people are engaged in cattle rearing and dairy farming. Faridabad and Gurgaon have many industries such as information, technology, and automobiles. National Capital Territory of Delhi. Most people here work in offices. Many of them have business. Delhi has many famous monuments such as Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple. Tourists from all over the world come to see these monuments. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas and mangoes. There are many sugar, textile, leather and chemical industries. The chikankari embroidery of Lucknow, silk saris of Varanasi, and brassware of Moradabad are popular all over the world. The Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years in Allahabad. Agra, Varanasi, and Lucknow are cities of tourist interest. Bihar. Bihar is famous for lychees. Bhagalpur is a center of silk weaving. Litti chokha and sattu parantha are popular dishes. Chhat is an important festival. Most people speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. Patna, Gaya, and Rajgir are places of tourist interest. West Bengal. Rice, jute, and tea are the main crops grown. Darjeeling has many tea gardens. Jute mills are located along both banks of Hooghly River. Fishing is an important occupation in the coastal region. People speak Bangla. Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengal. Assam. Assam is famous for tea and silk. Petroleum and natural gas are found in Digboi. Many women wear mekla chador and blouse. Most people speak Assamese. The coastal plains. The plain land that lies along the coast is a coastal plain. It is divided into western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. These plains stretch from Gujarat to West Bengal. The two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. Western coastal plains. The western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. It is divided into three parts: the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, the Malabar coast. Gujarat coast is towards the north, the Konkan coast is in the middle, the Malabar coast towards the south. Lagoons or backwaters are found along the Malabar coast. मालाबार कोस्ट के आसपास लैगून्स यानी कि खारे पानी की झील पाई जाती है. Next topic is Eastern Coastal Plain. Eastern Coastal Plains lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. It is wider than the Western Coastal Plain. It is divided into two parts. The northern part known as the Northern Sarkars, the southern part called the Coromandel Coast. Now life in the region. The two coastal plains cover some part of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Fishing and farming are the main occupations. Rice and coconut are the main crops grown. There are a number of ports that are used to export and import goods. Gujarat. People grow jowar, bajra, cotton and sugarcane. Many people are traders. Some are engaged in dairy farming. Along the coast, salt is made by drying seawater. There are many textile mills, oil refineries, and diamond cutting centers in Gujarat. Most people speak Gujarati. Ras Garba is a popular folk dance. Goa. Goa is famous for cashew nuts and mangoes. Iron ore and manganese deposits are also found here. Vindaloo and Zakuti are famous dishes. Konkani is widely spoken. The beautiful beaches are a big tourist attraction in which St. Xavier Church, Fort Agoda and Dudhsagar Falls are visited by many tourists. Kerala. Rubber tea, coffee and spices are the important crops of Kerala. Apart from rice and coconut, coir making is an important activity. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the popular classical dances. People speak Malayalam, Onam and Vishu are popular festivals. Tamil Nadu. Tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of the Nilgiri hills. Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. People are fond of idli, dosa, upma and sambar. Bharatnatyam is a popular dance. Tamil is the main language. Pongal is an important festival. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kondapalli toys and kalamkari work. Mica and limestone are found here. Kuchipudi is a popular dance. Vishakhapatnam is an important seaport. Odisha. Odisha is famous for its textiles, silver work and handicraft items. Coal, iron ore and manganese deposits are also found here. Cuttack and Rourkela are industrial cities. Odissi is a popular dance. Most people speak Odia. The Rath Yatra is a popular festival. The Chilika Lake with its bird sanctuary attracts many tourists. So students, here we have completed lesson 3. Do the question answers very neatly in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.